In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create article feedback on WordPress website. By the end, you'll have a simple, "Was this helpful?" survey on your posts so readers can quickly share what worked and what didn't, giving you clear signals to improve your content. Start by heading to wordpress.com/sites. If you manage multiple sites, pick the one you want to work on so the changes apply in the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This is where you can discover and add new functionality to your site. In the Plugins screen, use the search bar and type Article Feedback. You're looking for a plugin called Helpful Article Feedback Plugin. When it appears in the results, click it to open its details page. This plugin adds a lightweight "Was it helpful?" prompt at the end of your articles, so visitors can vote with a single click. It's a quick win for measuring content usefulness without asking readers to fill out long forms. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the tabs. Click Description to understand exactly what the plugin does and how it appears on your pages. Then click Installation to see any requirements or setup notes specific to WordPress.com. Finally, check the changelog to confirm the plugin is actively maintained and to see what's changed in recent updates. Reviewing these sections helps you avoid surprises and ensures the plugin aligns with your needs. When you're ready, click Get Started. This launches the WordPress.com flow to add the plugin to a new or existing site. You'll land on a domain step. If you're creating a new site for this plugin, use the Search Domains field to look up an available address. If you already have a domain, choose the option that says you already have one, then proceed to use your domain. Enter your domain when prompted and confirm. Next, click Continue to move forward. WordPress.com will guide you through any remaining steps, which may include selecting a plan that supports plugins. Make sure you're signed in to the correct site and that your plan includes plugin installation. On WordPress.com, plugins are available on specific tiers. Once the flow completes, the Helpful Article Feedback plugin is added. From here, WordPress will take you to the appropriate next screen so you can finish setup. The "Was this helpful?" prompt will appear on your articles, giving readers an instant way to provide feedback. If you want to fine-tune its look or placement later, you can do that from the plugin settings in your dashboard. That's it. Your WordPress site now collects actionable article feedback with just a few clicks.